Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use code editor in CodeMode. Once you log in on the platform, either as a student or a teacher, you click on the code editor menu from the top here and it should open the code editor for you. It's pretty straightforward and simple online code editor. You have multiple options to choose your programming language, Java or Python, Ruby, JavaScript, and all. I'm going to select a Python. Once I write the Python code on the left side, all I have to do is to simple code to print hello here. And all I need is to just run this code. As you can see, the code ran and generated an output on the right side. I should be able to save this in my library. A code snippet library is a repository of all your code that you have written and you have saved. You can retrieve it for in future. For now, since code is not saved, I'm going to click save and it will ask me to enter the title. And in this case, all I have to do is to enter, let's say, hello world. And if I want, I can give a title. I can say this is my Python and I click save. And this code is saved. You can see on the screen right now that I have this code snippet is saved here as hello world. Code is saved here and the tag is also here. Anytime I want, I should be able to click the open link to open this code. I can also download the code snippet. I can also copy the link or even delete it. The copy link is a very useful feature. By clicking the copy link, I should be able to send it to anyone and the person should be able to open the link and come and review the code as long as the person, my teacher or another student or friend is online on the platform. I should be able to, you should be able to collapse this. I can start a new code editor window. You can also do some of the cool things like if you want to do a very distraction-free coding, you should be able to click this, come back again in the regular view mode. You should be able to download the code, change the mode, especially if you're in the nighttime and you want, you don't want to stress your eyes, you can always change this mode to the night mode or flip it back. Some of the cool things you can definitely try, but the one I really love is sharing the code using a link. Thank you for watching. In another video, I'll show you how to use this feature in an assignment. Thank you. Bye-bye.